after 3 long years of working on this car, it's pretty clear that I do not have the time to be working on a project car. So rather than let old Kermit here rust, it's time to let it go. The Rover has been sold. Now don't get me wrong, I would have loved to see this car up and running just as much as all you. But the person I sold it to has worked on plenty of other Rovers in their time, and they assure me that the car's can be returned to its former glory. But before we go, how about a quick recap since our last episode? Alright, it's time to get this thing... Hang on, why is it so dark? Oh, the bloody lens cap was on, wasn't it? Righto, well it's time to get this thing running. What I think we're going to do is we're going to go under here, unclip the master cylinder thingy from the clutch thingy, and we'll hopefully get it going. We'll replace it and hopefully we'll get it going. Let's just see how we go first. But yeah. After that brilliant explanation, there's really no need for a voiceover. I'm going to attempt to squeeze myself in and undo the master cylinder from the clutch pedal. Well, it's not going to be easy to get to, is it? No, it's not. Alright, seats are coming out. There we go. Give me a bit more. I used some needle nose pliers to pop the clip off the clutch pedal, not that you can tell from this horrible angle. Got him! Next up, I can unbolt the master cylinder from the firewall. Look at that! Jeez, they're out of there. Oh. I didn't get use the new one. Looking all pretty schmick. Now I didn't get a cap with it though, the old one fits. Oh ho ho, there we go. What a bloody ripper. Alright, let's get this installed. I can see the inside of the car from there. No, that doesn't look very nice, does it? Installation is the opposite of removal, so the master cylinder gets the line reattached to it before getting reattached to the clutch pedal and eventually bolted back in. Alright, well we're up to the stage of reattaching it all, but I remembered that I don't actually have a new one of these, and you always replace these little clips with another one, so I've got to quickly go up the street and grab another one. So we'll return momentarily. I've returned, we got the new one, let's go install her. It's on. Alright, we got the car jacked up and we've topped up the master cylinder, so we've got all our fluid just topped up in there. That's going to go down really fast though, being a new one. Anyway, I got me bit under here and slide under, and there's the slave cylinder right there. So I'm just going to clean that off and then we'll bleed it. Clean that through. Second. I'll stop. Yep. Just gonna loosen it off a bit more. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, big air bubble. Yeah, what air bubble. Yeah. And stop right there. Bleeding this cylinder took a while as a lot of air came out of the lines, but eventually got to the point where it was time to test it. One of the most important things to note here is that here in Victoria it can go from sunny to raining in a matter of minutes. Bigger in gear, John. It was around this time that I knew the car was going to be sold, so I can take a look back on all the memories and milestones that we have had on this car. From the first time we got the car running, my first time ever working on drum brakes, and even the first time we took it out onto the road. All the fun times and great memories that will not be forgotten. Before we say goodbye to the old Rover, I'd just like to say thanks to everyone who contributed on this project. From Hugh, who would come down here to help me out each time he was in town, to my parents for letting me keep this car in the front yard. And also a massive thank you to everyone who commented on a video or liked a video or even supported the channel in any way. Thank you all so much, you guys did not go unnoticed. The new owner is here to pick up the Rover. He arrived a little bit late because he got stuck in traffic, so I do apologise for the horrible footage. He backed the trailer up and before long we started to push it up. Three of us managed to push the front half on, but for the back half we had to call an extra person, which made all the difference. With the car loaded on, we got strapped down and it was time to say our goodbyes.
That's it. See you all, mate.
See you later, mate. And just like that, the Rover was off until its new home. So the Rover went away last night and the guy who bought it's already sent me some photos of its journey back to New South Wales. I had a good chat to the fella and he seems like an awesome bloke to talk to and he definitely knows his stuff. He sent me some photos of the other cars that he's restored and he's definitely the right man for the job. So that's the end of the Rover on my end. However, he did say he's going to send me some photos of the restoration progress, which I'll be sure to update you on my Instagram. Once again, thank you all so much for watching this video series and I look forward to seeing you all in 2023 for some more fun projects. Bye for now.